Kevin G with a weather overview. How you doing, everybody, on a Sunday? We've had some damp, dismal, dreary weather the last few days, but not a lot of rain. If we take a look at the rainfall history from NOAA, we see that parts of the Delmarva got some tremendous amounts of rain. That area in yellow is well over 6 inches of rain, and areas to the south and west of the tri-state region got the most rain, and that was expected as the placement of the upper level low over the Midwest was too far to the west to really give us what would have been drought-denting rains, but we only managed a trickle around here. Areas picking up a half inch to an inch, and the bulk of the rain fell on Friday there, with not much after that. And I don't think we're going to get much rain this week. So here's Intellicast.com with your temperatures right now. We're around 61 degrees, but due to the aforementioned cloud cover and onshore flow, we're not going to really go up above these readings too far today. I think we'll have clouds dominate for the majority of the week, and that's due to the overall pattern, but I don't think we're going to get a lot of rainfall. So we'll take a look at tropical tidbits, and you see that high off the northeast coast? That's going to bring in clockwise flow around that high. That'll give us an onshore flow, so south to southeast winds, and that will make for cloudy conditions around here with temperatures in the 60s to near 70s, so still a bit above normal in spite of the fact that we'll be cloudy most of the week. I think the best chance for rain will be tomorrow with some scattered showers around in the afternoon and possibly some breaks of sun, but the majority of the week is going to be under mostly cloudy skies before maybe some sinking air comes in for Wednesday and Thursday. Then we turn our attention to Hurricane Matthew. This is a very dangerous hurricane. It is in the Caribbean. It is poised to strike Jamaica, Haiti, and eastern Cuba with heavy rains, damaging winds, and mudslides. So a very serious situation for those folks down there. And the eventual track of Matthew is not going to be known until mid to late week once it gets into the Bahamas, which it is supposed to do as a major hurricane. But then after that, we don't really know what's going to happen. The three players that are involved with this are the stubborn high pressure that's going to be to our east, and this is the weather pattern by Friday off of the GFS. We have a trough coming in from the west on the west coast, and we have the hurricane itself situated in the Bahamas by late week. So all three of those factors have to be sampled correctly on the models for us to really know what the end game is going to be with Matthew. I think this is a significant threat to the Carolina coast, and then after that I just don't know, and anybody pretending to really know what it's going to do up here right now is playing games. So the moral of the story is we take a look at weather underground, keep Matthew in mind, don't stress out about it yet, keep an eye on it. It's something for the late week. If it were to affect the tri-state area, it would be this weekend or early next week. But that is not in the most forecasts right now. But we'll be keeping an eye on it as the week progresses.